Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A72S, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen. And swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be the Do Not Disturb. Now let's see if I can actually find it, because I don't actually see it right here. So what I'm gonna do is click right here on this pencil, and this will then show me toggles that are turned off, which I can add to the list right here. And as you can see, one of those is the Do Not Disturb. So we're gonna hold it, it's gonna lift up, and we can drag it over to the top, drop it, and when we go back we have now access to it on right here. So when you see this toggle, you can now hold it, which will take you to the settings, and from here obviously you can customize how the mode actually functions. Now the more important options, which will be the only ones that I will touch upon, are things like people. In here you can select who can message you or call you. Then we have, where's the schedule? Right over here. So there is one pre-made by the looks of it, which you can edit if you want to by tapping on a gear icon. And obviously in here, as you can also see, you can select days of the week, start, end time, and that's about it. And when enabled, so you'd actually enable it in here, like so, you won't have to do anything extra. The phone will turn it on and off automatically based on the provided day of the week and start and end time. And let's see, is there anything else worth mentioning? There's one last thing, so duration for quick settings. This will be good for everyone who enables this mode manually from time to time on like random occasions. So here I would recommend changing it to the second option, which is by default set to for 1 hour. We can enable it, and we can also add a couple more hours. Now I would personally probably select it to something like 4 hours, and the reason I recommend changing it to this, because what will happen now is if I confirm this, whenever I tap on the toggle, just to demonstrate this, it will turn on for exactly 4 hours, at least how I set it up right now. I have chosen 4 hours, so that's how long it's gonna be running. And the reason I recommend selecting this on a timer is because when you're enabling it just randomly, just on some kind of occasions, events, you will most likely forget to turn it off. Therefore, when setting it up on a timer, the phone will turn it off automatically after the given time passes. And therefore, once you forget about it, the phone just turns it off and your phone will start working normally. So even when you forget about it, there is no problem. Otherwise, it will be running indefinitely in the background till you remember about it and turn it off yourself. So I recommend turning that on a timer. And those are really all the options that I would consider important or semi-important. So once you have set it all up, you can then toggle on and off your Do Not Disturb mode whenever you want. Obviously, if you have it on timer, you can turn it on and off yourself, like so. So you don't need to wait for the timer to obviously reach your time 0, basically. So it turns off automatically. You can do it yourself. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.